Hello friends, welcome to the channel TechUnboxPro. Today we are back with another exciting flagship smartphone, and this time we are taking a complete look at the brand new Sony Xperia 11 2026. In this video, we will cover the unboxing experience, design, display quality, camera performance, battery life, and overall performance, so make sure you watch till the end. Let's start with the unboxing. The Sony Xperia 11 comes in a clean and premium Sony branded box. Inside the box, you get the smartphone itself, a fast-charging USB Type-C cable, a power adapter, SIM eject tool, and some documentation. The packaging is minimal but professional, which matches Sony's premium flagship identity. Now talking about the design, the Sony Xperia 11 looks extremely elegant and modern. It features a matte glass back panel with a metallic frame, giving it a very premium feel in hand. The phone is slim, lightweight, and comfortable to hold, even for long usage. The curved edges make the grip smooth, and the build quality feels solid and durable. On the back, we see a triple camera module with polished lens rings, which adds a luxury look to the phone. On the front, the Xperia 11 offers a large bezel-less display with a punch-hole camera. The screen quality is one of the strongest highlights of this device. It comes with a high-resolution display that delivers sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and excellent brightness levels. Whether you are watching YouTube videos, Netflix, or playing games, the viewing experience feels immersive and premium. This phone is perfect for users who love content consumption and multimedia. Now let's talk about the camera performance, which is where Sony always shines. The Sony Xperia 11 features a triple camera setup, including a main wide sensor, ultra-wide lens, and telephoto lens. The main camera captures crisp and detailed photos with natural colors. Low light performance is also impressive, with good brightness and reduced noise. The ultra-wide camera is great for landscape and group shots, while the telephoto lens helps with clear zoom photography. The front camera is also very powerful. It delivers sharp selfies, smooth skin tones, and is perfect for video calls, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube content creation. Video recording quality is excellent, with stable footage and clear audio. In terms of performance, the Sony Xperia 11 is powered by latest flagship processor paired with high RAM and fast storage. This means you get smooth multitasking, fast app opening, and lag-free performance. Heavy games like PUBG, Call of Duty, and Genshin Impact run smoothly without overheating issues. This phone is ideal for gamers, power users, and professionals. Now coming to the battery life, the Xperia 11 packs a large capacity battery that easily lasts a full day with normal usage. Even with heavy use like gaming, social media, and video streaming, the battery performance remains reliable. It also supports fast charging, so you can quickly charge your phone and get back to work in just a short time. On the software side, Sony provides a clean and smooth Android experience with minimal bloatware. The UI feels fast, simple, and user-friendly. You also get latest security updates, privacy features, and system optimizations, which make the phone future-proof. So overall, the Sony Xperia 11 2026 is a complete flagship smartphone that offers premium design, top-class display, excellent camera quality, strong performance, and long battery life. Whether you are a student, gamer, content creator, or business user, this phone is suitable for all types of users. If you are planning to buy a high-end smartphone in 2026, the Sony Xperia 11 is definitely one of the best flagship options available in the market right now. That's it for today's video, friends. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to TechUnboxPro, and turn on the notification bell for more daily mobile reviews and unboxing videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.